Today we are going to install the Sonicwall TZ80 into the RM-SW-T14 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 2 M3 bolts, 2 Velcro straps, 4 Cat6 cables, 1 USB cable, and 3 zip ties. Place the appliance on the rack and secure it using the 2 bolts from the bottom of the rack. To install the power supply, put 2 zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Connect the cable to your appliance. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with 1 zip tie. Using the provided cables, connect the appliance to the keystones. Tie the cables together using the Velcro straps. Optionally, you can connect antenna cables to the front of the rack. Remove the pre-scored sections in the designated locations using a screwdriver and hammer. Cables are not included. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Sonicwall rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.